In this video, you will learn how to use the filter function in Excel. The filter function enables you to filter a range of data based on criteria you define. Here we have a sales report. The report has 4 columns: region, sales rep, product, and units sold. Let's dive into our first example. What if we wanted to filter by region? We could do this using the filter function. Let's type in =, filter, then open parentheses. The first argument is array. The array is the data that you want to filter. So let's select the data and type a comma. The second argument is the data that you want to filter by. So we want to filter by the region, so let's select the region data. Then let's type the =, so that we can specify which value that we want to filter by. We want to filter by the East region. So let's specify East in cell G2, comma. And finally, we will add 2 quotation marks to let the formula know that if there are no matching results, to return a blank. So let's close the parentheses and hit enter. Now you can see that the sales report has been filtered by the East region. Since the drop-down list was previously created in cell G2 to specify regions, we can easily just go to G2 and then in the drop-down specify North, and now our sales report filters by the North region. So there you go, a simple way to filter by one criteria using the filter function. What if you wanted to filter by multiple criteria? For example, if you wanted to filter by region and product. Let's see how we can try to do this. Now, in the previous example, I had set up the drop-down for the region values by using the data validation feature prior to the example. In this example, I'm going to show you how to set up this drop-down from scratch. So let's go to cell G3, then select data validation in the menu, and then under settings, validation criteria allow, select list in the drop-down. And then in the source section, this is where you specify the values that you want in your drop-down. So I will enter the values: laptops, monitors, speakers, and printers. Click OK. Now if we go back to our spreadsheet, we can see in cell G3 that in the drop-down, all our products are in there. So that part is set up. Now the next step that we need to do to filter by product and region is to adjust our formula from the first example. In the first example, our filter function filters by region. Now we need to adjust this formula so that it filters by region and product. So let's go into the formula, and after the closing parentheses from the range for the region data, type in asterisk. This asterisk means that in addition to the range 8.3 to 8.21, we also want to filter by another range. So the asterisk basically means and. So open parentheses, and then let's specify the range for the products, which is from C3 down to C21. Then type equal, and now we want to specify the value that we want to filter by for product. So I will select G3. Close the parentheses, hit enter. And what you see is there's nothing in the filter. That's because in the product drop-down we don't have anything specified. So let's specify a value. And in now the sales report is filtered by the region North and product monitors. So we can use this filter whichever way we like. We can select region, for example, South, and then products we can select speakers, and the filter updates automatically. Or we can select North, then select maybe printers. So there you go. So this is how you would use the filter function to filter by multiple criteria using AND. In this video, you learned how to use the filter function. We worked through 2 examples, including filtering by one condition as well as multiple conditions. I hope this video was useful to you. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.